of the NOAA Weather Radio all hazards warning device for station WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. Conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount receivers
New Jersey every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter,
especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability,
The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas in and near southeast New Jersey: Atlantic,
the warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and
including
warnings.
the Atlantic coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey to Cape Henlopen, Delaware out 40 nautical miles, and all of Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio all hazards. Station KHB38 in Atlantic City, New Jersey. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio all hazards.
Station WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio all hazards.
Welcome to 2026, Mahali.